So we are here today to set the countertops on a kitchen we recently installed. Stone going in on the island here, and we're doing wood countertops on the perimeter. The kitchen's pretty spectacular. It's got an incredible view of Cabin Valley out here, and we're looking forward to the completion of this project and Sarah's design.
Yo también se lo yo sí aquí. Yo estoy un poquito. No colocar un gato, yo creo que no, ya yo su lugar no uso.
We're wrapping up the installation of these cabinets and countertops. We've done the sightline cabinetry around the bottom on the island. We've got a butcher block countertops with a farm sink and the marble top on the island.